You are watching Storytime with Kate. I'm Kate and I'm going to sing one of the best songs for circle time, If You're Happy and You Know It. It's a great song about emotions and I always sing it with preschoolers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, then you really have to show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're angry and you know, stamp your feet. Stamp, stamp. If you're angry and you know, stamp your feet. Stamp, stamp. If you're angry and you know, then your face will truly show it. If you're angry and you know, stamp your feet. If you're sad and you know, wipe your eye. If you're sad and you know, wipe your eye. If you're sad and you know, then your face will truly show it. If you're sad and you know it, wipe your eye. If you're sleepy and you know it, nod your head. If you're sad and you know it, nod your head. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will truly show it. If you're sad and you know it, show me your sad face. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will truly show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Thank you for watching. Keep playing your ukulele.